Hi everyone, welcome back to class. In today's video, we will focus on the topic whether the string given is a palindrome or not, and also we'll try to implement the Java code. Okay, so at first we will see what is a string and how to say it is a palindrome or not. Okay, so here Nitin is a string which is a set of characters enclosed in a double quotation marks. Okay, now if you try to reverse it, what happens? The last character n will get at first, okay, and the second character from the last, which is I, will be seen as second character from the first, and the third character t can be seen as third from the first, and the fourth character from the last can be seen as fourth from the first, and the first character can be seen at last after reversing. So this is the reverse of a string. So here Nitin is the original string, and after performing the reversing we got the string as Nitin. So here you can observe that the original string Nitin and the reverse string Nitin both are similar, I mean both look same, right? So when the original string and the reversed string look same, then we say the string is a palindrome. Okay, and suppose if you consider another example, let the example be hello. Okay, hello. Now we after reversing it, what you get output as OLLEH. Okay, so this is the reverse of the particular string hello. Okay, now if you observe both of these, both looks different, right? So both are not similar, so we say the particular string hello is not a palindrome. Okay, so from these two examples, what we say, when the original string and the reverse string look similar, then we say the original string is said to be a palindrome, or else the string is said to be a non-palindrome. So this is how we normally determine the string given is a palindrome or not. Okay, now we'll see how to write a code to find or to say the string is a palindrome or not. So this is the Java code then that need to be written inside the main method. Okay, and it tells you whether the string given is a palindrome or not. Okay, so now we'll see how it actually works. So here I have taken a variable str of type string. In it I have stored the string Nitin. Okay, and I have taken another string variable str1 which is of type string, but here I have taken the empty string. Okay, now here we are making use of for loop. Okay, int I equals to str dot length minus 1. So length is the predefined method of string class. Okay, so here str dot length means here str is having the string and the string is having 5 characters, right? So 5 minus 1, that is equals to 4. So I initially value is equals to 4. Okay, and now we need to check for the condition I equals to 4, I greater or equals to 0, that is 4 greater or equals to 0, condition is true. So as the condition becomes true, it enters into the loop. Now what happens, str1 equals to str1 plus str dot caret of 5. So caret of I is a predefined method under the string class. Okay, now what happens, str1 initially we is empty string. Okay, this is the empty string plus str dot caret of I. So I value is 4. Okay, I value is 4. So at fourth index the character is, so indexing starts with 0, right? 0 1 2 3 4. So at fourth index we will be having n character. Okay, n. So when we perform place between two strings, it concatenates, so it becomes n. Okay, so n will be assigned to str1. So str1 updated value will be n. Okay, now I value will decremented by 1. So I equals to 4, now it decremented by 1, so I becomes 3. Checks for the condition 3 greater or equals to 0, condition is true, enters into the loop. str1 equals to str1 plus str dot caret of 5. So str1 updated value is n. Okay, str updated value is n plus str dot caret of I. So I value is 3. So at third index what will be the value, 0 1 2 3 I. Okay, plus I. So what happens, as we are using plus, it concatenates, so it becomes ni. Okay, now ni will get assigned to str1. Now updated value will be ni. Okay, now I value initially we have 3, now it get decremented by 1, so I becomes 2. Okay, checks for the condition 2 greater or equals to 0, condition is true, enters into the loop. str1 equals to str1 plus str dot caret of I. Now I is 2. Okay, so str1 updated value is ni plus str dot caret of I. So it I value will be 2. So it second index what will the value? 0 1 2 t. Okay, okay, now as we are performing concatenation, the output will be nit. Okay, the updated str1 value will be nit. Okay, now I value will get decremented by 1. Now I becomes 1. Okay, checks for the condition, that is 1 greater or equals to 0, condition is true, enters into the loop. str1 equals to str1 plus str dot caret of I. So str1 updated value is nit plus character at index I value will be 1, right? At 1 the value will be 0 1 I. Okay, that is I. So output will be niti. So updated value of str1 is niti. Okay, now I value will decremented by 1, so I becomes 0. Now checks for the condition, 0 greater or equals to 0, condition is true, enters into the loop. str1 equals to str1 plus str dot caret of I. So str1 updated value is niti plus str dot caret of I. So I value will be 0, so it 0th index value is 0. This is the 0th index, right? So we'll be having value that is character n. Okay, now performing concatenation, it gives the output as nitin. So updated value will be nitin. Now I value will decremented by 1. So initially I value is 0, now it decremented by 1, that is 0 minus 1 is minus 1. Now checks for the condition, that is minus 1 greater or equals to 0, condition is false. Okay, so once the condition becomes false, it comes out of the for loop and execute this statement, that is it checks for the if condition, str1 dot equals str. So the updated value of str1 is nitin dot equals of str. So str value is nitin and the str1 value is nitin, so both are same. So in order to compare two strings, we will be using the predefined method equals. So str1 and str values both are same strings, that is nitin. So as both are same, then it will enter into the if block and execute this statement, that is string given is a palindrome. So the output will be string given is a palindrome. Okay, suppose if str1 and str value both are different, then it will not execute if block, instead it execute this else block and gives the output as string given is not palindrome. But for the given example, that is str is equals to nitin, the updated str1 value is nitin, so both str1 and str values are same, it executes this statement, that is string given is palindrome. So this is how we need to write the Java code to find whether the string given is a palindrome or not. So this is all about today. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.